is Joshua's lunch at school today. The beef and bell pepper are left over from yesterday, which I turned into fried rice with egg and green peas. So this is Joshua's lunch thermos. Joshua's morning snack, banana chips and apple, Fuji apple. And then for lunch, the leftover beef and bell pepper from last night turned into fried rice. Have a lovely day, Josh.
Alright.
One second, I'll help you.
In 700 feet.
Good morning. I'm on my way to work. I take the side streets in the morning because freeway is jam-packed around this time of the day. It's rush hour. So I'm about 5 minutes away from work. 5 to 10 minutes away.
This slide is source of advertising awareness specifically in New York City, and this is looking at the last 3 years.
We're the front yard. Here's the menu. Here's my food. This is the blackened tacos and the flowers will fall, right?
Yeah.
And then the leaves will replace the flowers. And it's no longer pink. It's only green. Yeah, I think this is a different kind of tree.
Yeah.
I'm done with work now. Time to go home. Here at school to pick up Joshua. Oh, there's a lot of blueberries again. Look. Very pretty. Look at that peach tree. Very pretty. I'll show you up close. Look at these blossoms. Peach tree blossoms. So pretty. Very, very beautiful. Anyway, we're here to harvest some leafy greens for the chicken soup. I'm going to harvest some leafy greens to make chicken soup. Mustard greens, choi, and spinach. This is mustard greens. And these are the spinach. These are the spinach. We have more leafy greens here. These are choi. And the harvest for dinner: spinach, mustard greens, and choi. I will be using ginger, onion, and garlic. I need to peel the ginger first. And just slice it like that. And then half of the onion. This is like a huge onion. And then 3 cloves of garlic. So just slice the garlic thinly, like that. Like that. Canola oil first. And then the onion, garlic, and ginger. Just saute this. Then add the chicken thighs. These are free-range chicken thighs, bone-in fil-am chicken thighs. I'll add 8 cups of water. I need to slice this veggies. So these are the choi, the spinach, and then the mustard greens. So the choi. I like this part of the choi and the bok choy. It's crunchy. The choi and the mustard greens. And the spinach. I don't need to do anything with the spinach. Is the noodles. Then the noodles. The same noodles that I used like the other day for the lettuce wrap. The noodles from the Vietnamese market. I think this is the same noodles that I use for wraps. And the garden vegetables. So chicken noodle soup with garden veggies. There you go, the noodles, the chicken. So we have the chicken, the noodles, the soup, and the veggies. The veggies on the side. Here you go, chicken noodle soup with vegetables and lemon from the garden.